Hello, mathematicians. Today I'm going to teach you a math game called 10 Sleeping Bears. This game is like 5 Sleeping Bears, if you've played that before, except instead of 5 bears, we have 10 bears. What you need for this game is a 10 frame, 10 objects or bears, and a cup or a cave. You can play this game by yourself or with a partner or a group of 3. I'm going to show you how to play by yourself. Just remember, if you're playing with a partner, you need to take turns. How do you fairly take turns and decide who goes first? Think about how good partners work together. Great. Now let's get started. So, in this game, we are trying to figure out how many bears are sleeping in the cave. So first, I need to put some bears sleeping in the cave. Since I'm playing by myself, I'm just gonna go plop with my eyes closed. Ready? Now I have some bears sleeping in the cave. And I have bears that are out of the cave that are playing. I know, I have 10 bears total. So I'm going to try to figure out how many bears are sleeping using the bears that are awake. This is where our 10 frames come in. I'm going to take one bear and put it in each 10 frame to see, or each part of my 10 frame, to see how many bears I have. Well, let's count. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then I can look at my unfilled part of my 10 frame to see how many bears are sleeping in my cave. Ready? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think there are 5 bears sleeping in my cave because there are 5 bears that were out to play, and I know that 5 plus 5 equals 10. Let's check to see. I open up my cave and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I was correct. I used my tools and my strategies to help me figure out how many bears were sleeping in my cave. Now, I'm going to pretend like I'm playing this with a partner. So, I'm partner 1. Partner 1's job, is to get to put bears in the cave, while partner 2 has their eyes closed. So, I'm going to put some in the cave. You could even turn it upside down if you wanted to. Now, partner 2, when you're done, opens up their eyes. I open up my eyes. Now, partner 2 will look at the bears that are out to play and maybe use their 10 frame to figure out how many bears partner 1 put in the cave. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I see I have 3 spaces left open, so that must mean that there are 3 bears in the cave. So I'm going to tell partner 1 my thinking. There were 7 bears out to play, and I put them in my 10 frame. And I see that there are 3 spaces left in my 10 frame, so that must mean there are 3 bears sleeping. My partner 1. I'm going to open it up, and I see that there are 3 bears sleeping. So partner 2 was correct. Now let's review the game rules. First, partner 1 puts some of the 10 bears in the cave. Then partner 2 counts the bears that are out to play and figures out how many are in the cave. Partner 2 explains their thinking using precise language. And partner 1 checks their answer. Now it's your turn to give it a try. Have a great time.